Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing a quick little tidy up clean with me. I will be cleaning my living room. It's not really dirty because I cleaned last night, but I'm going to be tidying up. I'm going to be wiping down my tables, vacuuming, and I'm going to be mopping and straightening out my kitchen a little bit, you know, wiping down the countertops and cleaning a few dishes, adding a few extra decor pieces. And yeah, that'll be all for today's video that I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe if you have not done so already. And I'll see you guys on the cleaning side.
I never felt the way I do about anyone but you. If I were to lose you now, I don't know what I might do. You're in all of my dreams, whether I'm awake or I'm asleep. My love ain't going anywhere, babe. I'm in this way too deep. It takes courage to admit the truth. I've been waiting forever. Didn't dream before, but now I do. Yeah, I can't wait together. You give me feelings I never felt before. Now I lost my mind, waiting for you to make up your save. I can't help it. I wanna be with you all the time. You give me feelings I never felt before. Now I lost my mind, waiting for you to make up your save. I can't help it, and I do anything to make you mine. There is nothing I can do to make it go away. I'm in love with you, baby, and my love is here to stay. Love is a dangerous thing when my hands are trembling. Will you fall into me? It means more than anything. It takes courage to admit the truth. I've been waiting forever. Didn't dream before, but now I do. Yeah, I can't wait together. You give me feelings I never felt before. Now I lost my mind, waiting for you to make up your save. I can't help it. I wanna be with you all the time. You give me feelings I never felt before. Now I lost my mind, waiting for you to make up your save. I can't help it, and I do anything to make you mine, waiting for you to make up yours. You give me feelings.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest. 'Cause I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice, you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying, it's real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest, still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't.